Hey everyone, it's Marquez here. Today we're diving into the future with 5 AI tools every engineer will need in 2025. You know tech moves fast, but the future is closer than you think. We're talking AI, but not just self-driving cars and robots, though that's cool too. This is about the tools shaping how engineers, like you, will work in 2025 and beyond. So, buckle up because we're diving into the 5 AI tools every engineer needs to have on their radar. First up, we've got TensorFlow. TensorFlow is the backbone of machine learning, the engine under the hood of tons of AI applications. For engineers, this means having the power to create custom AI solutions, no matter your field. Think predictive maintenance for industrial systems, optimizing energy consumption in buildings, or even designing cutting-edge materials. TensorFlow is open source, meaning a massive community constantly pushes its limits. And the best part? Whether you're a coding guru or just starting, TensorFlow's got you covered with different levels of abstraction. Bottom line, TensorFlow is like having a Swiss Army knife for AI, and in 2025, it's non-negotiable. Next, let's talk design. AutoCAD's been the gold standard for decades, but with AI integration, it's entering a whole new dimension. Imagine this. You're working on a complex architectural project, and instead of manually drawing every detail, AutoCAD's AI suggests optimal layouts, structural elements, and even generates realistic 3D visualizations based on your sketches. AI-powered AutoCAD can analyze massive datasets to optimize designs for efficiency, sustainability, and cost-effectiveness. This means greener buildings, stronger bridges, and products that perform better than ever before. And with generative design capabilities, you can input your design goals, and the AI will explore thousands of possible solutions, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. In 2025, AutoCAD with AI isn't just about drafting, it's about co-creating with intelligent systems that elevate your work to the next level. Chapter 3. IBM Watson, your AI engineering consultant. When it comes to heavy-duty data analysis and decision-making, IBM Watson is the AI powerhouse you want on your team. We're talking about an AI system that can process massive datasets, understand natural language, and provide insights that would take human analysts weeks, if not months, to uncover. For engineers, this means having an AI consultant on call 24/7. Need to analyze